Morning. These vlog. Just waking up. It's early, but we got electrolytes. We got coffee. We got Jesus. Beautiful day. It's going to be Friday. Happy Friday. God, got going to the gym. I got the community call. Pretty light Friday, but good Friday nonetheless. Going to the farmer's market tomorrow. It's gonna be sick. See you guys at the gym.
Banging workout. Great pump. Wow. Rocking with some steak. Brings me back. I used to rip just raw steak. It's 8:30 in the morning, and we're just ripping cold steak. I heard you. I used to do this all the time. God, when I go to Lifetime, dude, there's something to be said about going to a really nice gym. Not just for, like, the niceness of equipment, but, like, the people. Like, Range Rover, Porsche, Bentley, Aston Martin. All is it just super successful looking people, really nice cars. I get motivated when I go to Lifetime because I just see guys and I'm like, dude, like, these guys are killing it. All right, let's hit it home. We run Meta ads. Yeah, that's our main promotion now. We used to do door-to-door, but yeah, mainly just ads from Facebook. There's two main things. One is that the past few months we've been doing contracts with all of our customers. So we have currently almost 200,000 in recurring revenue that will continue to go up as new jobs come in because majority of our customers, we get on a contract. So we've made a big shift with the business in the past few months into getting recurring revenue. So it'd be important to note, I have a coaching business to where I help other window cleaning business owners scale their business as well. That business does 20 to 50,000 a month in revenue. It's like a coaching program. About to rip the group call with a community Q&A call today. A little different background for the call today. I'm in my girlfriend's parents' house. This is my girlfriend's old room before she moved in with me, and being in this room is peak nostalgia, and I'll tell you why. In between my lease last year, we lived here for the entire month of October. They live in an area, it's a city called Parkland. Parkland's a wealthy place, a lot of neighborhoods, gated neighborhood, like an ideal place to just sell door-to-door window cleaning. And it was also at the time when I was just starting to post on social media. And that month of October, like, it was big growth month. Every single day for that entire month and a half, it was wake up at 5 a.m. That was the first time I was reading Outwitting the Devil, just be fired up for the day. Go to the gym. I was doing a 90-day challenge, no drinking, no smoking, 100 pull-ups, 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups every single day. It was read 10 pages of a book, work out, film usually some content outside of there, and then come back here, edit it, post it, go straight to the doors, grind all day, knock till like 4 or 5 p.m., come back here, edit usually my door-to-door clips, post them, eat dinner, go to bed. And it was in here. And so nostalgic being back here because it was like the start of a lot. Me and my business partner split up. It was just starting to post online. It was like kind of final hoorah of grinding the doors before we started doing blitzes. It was definitely a growth month. Read Outwitting the Devil. That book changed my life, like, no doubt about it. So it was a cool month. It was one of those months you look back on and you remember very vividly. So what's up, fellas? How we doing? Any updates and any big wins in the businesses?
On Monday, got a call. This dude wanted me to go to his beachside property, hit the doors, made like an extra $900 in like an hour. Went knocked doors, got one more deal for like $225.
Let's go, dude. How was cleaning the jobs?
It wasn't bad. It was fairly quick.
You know what's next. Get it cleaner. You want to put yourself in a position to get the desired outcome, right? So by hiring a cleaner, it's going to force you to get enough jobs to them. It's like, okay, I have a cleaner now. I got to get 2 jobs. So instead of like that typical hour where you usually cut it short because you're cleaning the jobs, you're like, like it's all good, right? You can't do that when you have a cleaner. It's like,
yeah,
oh shoot, if I have a cleaner and he's expecting work tomorrow and I only have 1 job on the schedule, well, I got to find a way to get him a job, right? I got to stay on the doors till freaking 9 p.m. or I got to wake up early and get him a job. So it just puts you in a position to get a good outcome, which is a full day's worth of work. Made it to the golf course. Little solo round. Been getting used to playing golf solo. Not ideal, but when most of the people, well, I don't really have, honestly, a lot of friends in Florida. People I do know work on Fridays. It's not ideal, so I'm getting used to a solo rounds. So let's get it. Let's set this up. Set this up right here. What a round of golf we're having. Wow. It feels good to play good golf. Like, obviously. But like, when I used to sell solar, I was either blitzing, knocking doors, grinding the doors, or I was golfing. And that's all I was doing. And when I wasn't blitzing, I was able to play 3, 4. Sometimes I was playing every day, 36 holes a day. And I was playing good golf back then. Pretty good. I feel like I'm playing the best golf of my life right now. But when I started H2O Bros, right, I kind of carried that mentality over. Starting the business, golfing, you could still golfing 3 days a week, and the business sacrifice. So it was kind of around this time I started posting on Instagram. I decided to just go all in. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take a break from golf. And that was a good year sacrifice. And up until this past month, I haven't been able to golf as much as I would want. And I've been waiting for this time when the businesses are running, and I'm able to golf, and I'm able to focus, still be able to do the highest leveraging things. And so this past month, I've been able to play a lot of golf, and I could say I'm playing the best golf of my life. I'm coming off a couple rounds in the 70s, 4 over as a par 70. Let's see what we can do here. And it's funny that I'm alone in these rounds. I still enjoy it. Like, I'm having a great time out here. Obviously, playing golf bad alone is never fun, but playing good golf, whether you're with someone or without someone, I'll film these shots. You guys might make me nervous, but let's end on a good one. We're 4 over, coming out back-to-back birdies. I've never made 3 birdies in a row. Never made 3 birdies in a row. But my best round ever is a 72, even par. Shot in a 74. That was an easier course. So, I don't know. We're just going to keep it running. Battery's low. Okay. We'll see. This is for first ever 3 birdies in a row. It's for 73, 3 over pars, par 70. So let's end with a bang. Oh, I might have caught the slope. Oh, we're not looking bad at all. Probably 10, 12 feet. I'm saying it. That is the craziest round of golf I've ever had. First time ever making 3 birdies in a row. The last 3 holes, I think through like 6 holes, I was like 4 over. Shot a 3 over, 1 under on the back. This putter has been, I got to calculate the amount of putts today. Like, this putter has been stupid. Like, shout out Scotty Cameron. This is the greatest putter ever. Wow. What a freaking round. Like, wow. All right. That's a 73. Running day.
We'll bang and run.
Happy Saturday. Beautiful day. Stretched. Feeling loose. Longest run in a mile. Check out the ocean. Ocean's doing all right. Nasty. Not ideal for the visuals. Big time. Hello.
Morning.
Morning. Classic bicep check. Man, bicep in the here looks great. Seven miles. It's going to be a quick pace. I haven't ran this long in a while. So expecting a hard run. Probably the hardest run had in a while. Pump for it. You get to go out and run. The legs work. God is good. Cue to me extremely out of breath. Wow. All right. This is a good run. Really good run. 7 miles. Check the pace. I did lost 2 miles quick. 8:32. Not horrible. Had a lot to go. To do 30 seconds quicker as a pace for my marathon. Wow. Yeah, we're Gonna have to pedal down for training coming up to the marathon. Feel good, but to do 8 minutes, sub 3.5, that's going to be a push. I had chat write me up a training plan, but honestly, I don't think it's the best. But happy Saturday. The farmer's market, got Kayla behind the camera. She's gonna do vlogging for me today because we're gonna do some food reviews. Never been to this farmer's market, but heard farmer's market's got great reviews, and I love like food review content. So maybe start a food review channel. Maybe it's the first of it. Great. Italian cream cheese egg roll. Wow. Farmer's market was good. Good food. Was apple cider donuts. Wow. Insane. And Barnes & Noble. Pick up a book. I like looking for books in person so I can like read the first couple pages. I don't like buy books on Amazon. And then quick stop at the PJ Superstore because it's just a great place. It's like a Disneyland for me. And then home. It's Saturday. Back home. Beautiful day. Got this book, Diary of a CEO, 33 Laws of Business and Life. This guy's got knowledge on his podcast, so I can't imagine this book being bad. Excited. To the PGA, got a glove, Pro V1s, and this really sick hat. Puma, best golf apparel. I'm not a big like Puma look guy, but like their comfort level, unmatched with their hats and their clothes. And this right here is the cure to cancer. We're going to conclude this vlog with the cure to cancer. McDonald's Diet Coke. I swear to God, there's not much better than this. It's different. It's just different. Like, subscribe. Next one.